this is how we can rename iPhone in the settings. So we open up the settings and make sure we are on the main page. So you can scroll through the available options and click on the general section. Then when you click on the about, which is literally the first thing, you'll be able to see the name at the top, and this is actually the device name. So it is not like the name of the user, but it's the name of the phone. So when I click on it, it tells me that it is Foxtecc iPhone. I'm not sure if I came up with it or if it was like that by default, but I can change it to whatever I want. Just keep in mind that this is the name which is going to represent your phone when you are, for example, sharing personal hotspot internet with other people, or if you are sharing stuff over AirDrop, or if you're visible in AirDrop for other devices. This is how you're gonna look, right? So just this is the place where you're gonna change the name of the device. However, in the main settings at the top, you can click on your profile like this, and you can also go to the personal information, but this is going to change the name of you, the user, right? So for me, Foxtecc tutorials, right? I can go in here, make sure that the thing loads up, and there I have the ability to change the name of myself. So that's another separate thing. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to find what you are looking for. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.